Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Good to have you back. Please, if you have not subscribed to the channel, please do so and share to your friends and family. Yeah, so today we'll be having something delicious for breakfast or dinner. And this is a pancake made from very ripe plantain. Instead of having to trash the very ripe plantain, you have to turn into a recipe like this. So you need just two of the plantain, can do the job depending on your family size. Some flour to augment the calorie. And then we need granulated sugar, very optional. The plantain is sweet enough, you may not need this. Then eggs for protein, baking powder, some powdered milk for flavor and protein, diced onions, our salt to taste, carrot shredded, vegetable oil, scotch bonnet pepper, nutmeg, garlic, ginger, beetroot, and some parsley. So these are the ingredients for the recipe today. So you crack open your eggs, and then you get the plantain diced to the size that the blender can work with. Okay, so you help the blender to do the job properly by adding about 120 ml of water. So you blend till it gets to very fine consistency, and you have to strain the puree in case there are lumps in between. Yeah, so this is perfect, and you'll be adding some eggs to it, but before we do that, we'll have to whisk our egg till it's properly mixed. Yeah, so we can now add the plantain puree to the already whisked egg. And then you stir to combine properly. Alright, so we'll add the dry. First we're adding the flour, and you still need to strain to get the fine texture, just in case there are lumps in between that can be fetched out. Alright, so we'll go ahead to add our diced onions, some salt. You can add any seasoning of your choice depending on how you want it to taste. or flavor of your choice, spice, herbs. This will do the magic. Just do you. Carrots. Our sugar, like I said, it's very optional. The plantain is sweet enough, so you may not add this. But if you have children at home that will appreciate a sweet meal, you can go ahead and add sugar. So a milk is added, and then some nutmeg to give it the flavor. Then you want to stir everything together to combine properly. So guys, we're almost done. Stir generously till you get perfect mixture or perfect batter, whatever you can call it. Yeah, so this is fine. Ready to be very thick. If you're fine with this is perfect. But I had to add some water, a little more, like about 40 ml, to give it some loosening and make it easy for me to work with. Yeah, so this is fine. So you want to go ahead to use the vegetable oil to grease your pan on low heat, very low heat, please. Yeah, so once that is done, fetch just a cup at a time, pour it into the pan on fire already, and let it just sit out slowly till it gets to the shape of its choice. Yeah, it will definitely be a round shape. Yeah, so at this point it's done. You can see there are holes in between to tell you that the air bubbles have escaped and it's well cooked. At this point you can flip for the other parts to cook as well. Yeah, so you use something very comfortable to handle, and that's fine. So this is done. You do for other ones and then get your pancakes ready. You can serve it with any meal or any drink of your choice.